Hello and welcome back to RefreshNest. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve with the latest home decor trends, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 15 home decor trends you must know for 2024. These trends will inspire you to refresh your space, making it stylish, comfortable, and truly your own. Let's get started. Trend 1. Sustainable materials. Our first trend is sustainable materials. As environmental awareness grows, more people are turning to eco-friendly options in home decor. Think reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and natural fibers like jute and bamboo. These materials not only look great, but also reduce your carbon footprint. Incorporating sustainable materials into your home can make a significant impact while adding a unique touch to your decor. Trend 2. Earthy color palettes. Next up, earthy color palettes are making a big splash in 2024. Soft, muted tones like terracotta, sage green, and warm browns create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These colors are perfect for walls, furniture, and accessories, giving your home a grounded and calming vibe. Consider mixing and matching these tones to create a harmonious and balanced look. Trend 3. Multifunctional spaces. With more people working from home, multifunctional spaces have become essential. In 2024, expect to see clever design solutions that maximize the functionality of every room. Think convertible furniture, hidden storage, and adaptable layouts. These elements allow you to make the most of your space, whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining. Trend 4. Bold wallpaper. Bold wallpaper is back in a big way. From geometric patterns to botanical prints, wallpaper is a fantastic way to add personality to any room. In 2024, we're seeing a move towards more daring and eye-catching designs. Use wallpaper to create a stunning accent wall or to transform an entire room with vibrant patterns and colors. Trend 5. Curved furniture. Curved furniture is taking center stage this year. Rounded edges and soft lines bring a sense of fluidity and comfort to your home. From sofas to coffee tables, incorporating curved pieces can make your space feel more inviting and less rigid. This trend is all about embracing softness and creating a relaxing environment. Trend 6. Vintage and retro influences. Vintage and retro influences are making a comeback in 2024. Think mid-century modern furniture, retro color schemes, and nostalgic decor pieces. Incorporating vintage elements into your home adds character and a touch of history. Plus, it's a great way to find unique pieces that tell a story. Trend 7. Biophilic design. Biophilic design is all about connecting with nature. This trend focuses on bringing the outdoors inside through natural light, greenery, and natural materials. Indoor plants, living walls, and large windows that let in plenty of sunlight are key features. Biophilic design creates a tranquil and refreshing atmosphere, promoting well-being and reducing stress. Trend 8. Statement lighting. Lighting is no longer just a functional element. It's a statement piece. In 2024, statement lighting fixtures are taking the spotlight. Think oversized pendants, sculptural floor lamps, and chandeliers that double as art. Statement lighting can elevate the look of any room, adding drama and a focal point to your decor. Trend 9. Textured fabrics. Textured fabrics are a must-have in 2024. From boucle and velvet to woven textiles, adding texture to your home creates depth and interest. Use textured fabrics for upholstery. Throw pillows and curtains to enhance the tactile experience of your space. Mixing different textures can make your decor feel rich and layered. Trend 10. Minimalist aesthetic. The minimalist aesthetic continues to be popular, but with a twist. In 2024, minimalism is more about intentional living and quality over quantity. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a neutral color palette define this trend. However, the focus is on choosing high-quality, timeless pieces that bring joy and function to your home. Trend 11. Maximalist decor. On the flip side, maximalist decor is also trending. This style is all about embracing bold colors, patterns, and an eclectic mix of decor. Maximalism allows you to express your personality and creativity without restraint. The key is to balance the elements to avoid a chaotic look. Think curated collections, layered patterns, and vibrant art. Trend 12. Artisanal and handcrafted items. Artisanal and handcrafted items are gaining popularity as people seek authenticity and uniqueness in their decor. Hand-thrown pottery, hand-woven textiles, and bespoke furniture add a personal touch to your home. Supporting artisans and small businesses not only brings one-of-a-kind pieces into your space, but also supports the craft community. Trend 13. Smart home technology. Smart home technology is becoming more integrated into home decor. In 2024, expect to see tech-savvy solutions that blend seamlessly with your design. Smart lighting, thermostats, and security systems can make your home more efficient and convenient. The key is to choose technology that enhances your lifestyle without compromising on style. Trend 14, outdoor living spaces. Outdoor living spaces are an extension of your home, and this trend is here to stay. Create a cozy and functional outdoor area with comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and greenery. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, transforming your outdoor space into a relaxing retreat is a top trend for 2024. Trend 15, personalized decor. Last but not least, personalized decor is all about making your home a reflection of your unique style and personality. Custom art, family photos, and meaningful objects can turn your house into a home. The trend for 2024 is to create spaces that feel authentic and deeply personal, celebrating who you are and what you love. And there you have it, the top 15 home decor trends you must know for 2024. Whether you're planning a complete home makeover or just looking for a few updates, these trends offer plenty of inspiration to refresh your space. Remember, the best decor is the one that makes you feel comfortable and happy in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to RefreshNest and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest home improvement tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.